Hello friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can scan a QR code for Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video, write comments, and let's get started. So friends, first of all, I will tell you in general completely how this process of scanning QR code Wi-Fi for iPhone takes place. So, first of all, if you want to go to the Wi-Fi network from your iPhone to connect, then for this purpose you will have to either take your other device, where you are already connected to a certain Wi-Fi point, or scan a QR code on someone else's phone. To do this, it will be necessary on the other phone just to go to the Wi-Fi section and find there the QR code, if it is provided on the phone. So, after you have found a Wi-Fi QR code on the other device, all you have to do on your iPhone is go to the camera. And here, folks, when you have the Wi-Fi QR code, you just point your camera at the QR code and you're gonna get this line down here at the bottom. That will tell you that this is the rank of a particular Wi-Fi. After that, you will also be asked if you are sure that you want to connect to this point. You will just have to confirm your actions, that yes, I will connect to the Wi-Fi point. After that, you will be instantly connected to the Wi-Fi on your location. This is the simple way you will be able to scan the QR code of Wi-Fi on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful and useful for you. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments under the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.